Okay, lesson 61 in the series of 100 on jazz violin. And again, starting from 60 on, we're getting into more advanced stuff. I talked in the last video about the 2-5-1 progression, and the 2 being important because it was 5 away from the 5, and the 5 was 5 away from the 1, of course. Now we can do a whole string of these things, and composers do this all the time. Let's take it further. So the next question would be, what is the chord that's the 5 away from the 2? Let's do it, go to a familiar key of C on the keyboard. Just run my finger up and down. So we have D minor being the 2 chord, and G being the 5, and C being the 1. So what's 5 from the 2? A. So D, E, F, G, A. So A, it turns out to be minor in the key of C, so A minor. And 2, 5, 1. So let's hear that again. I'll do it with some bass notes to help strengthen it. Here's the 6th chord, the A, the 2, the 5, and the 1. This is like jumping, falling downstairs, isn't it? One more time, A minor, the 6, the 2, the 5, and the 1. Very common, very natural. What's 5 away from the 6th chord, the A? A, B, C, D, E. So, again, these are all 5 notes away from each other. So now if we're going up in octaves, the E would be way up here. So, E minor, A minor, D minor, G, C. Sounds kind of silly jumping down, 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 down. Let's put them all in similar, voice them in similar ranges. So, what are we doing here? The E, E minor. 3 to the 6, the 2, the 5, and the 1. Starting to sound familiar? Again, the 3 chord is 5 away from the 6 chord. Is 5 away from the D as the 2 chord. Is 5 away from the 5 chord, which of course is 5 away from the 1. One more time. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. And that sounds like a song, doesn't it? Again, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. So these things happen very naturally, and they happen in thousands upon thousands of songs. It'd be good for you to try and figure them out, just not in the key of C, but all 12 keys, or all 15 keys if you're a reader. Get to know them by eye, recognize them when they, oh, there's that thing again. You know, the 2-5-1s, and each one is kind of a 2-5-1, or each is a 5-1 of each other, and this kind of stuff. So learn to recognize these very common things, and you'll see them in songs all the time. And when you see them, you'll know how to respond to them. I'll tell you about in the next video.